Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Hanging out with one of my supporters today, Henry. He went on and bought himself a Slingshot. Check that thing out. That thing is awesome. Rides, man, really good. 18s on the front. I think that's a 20 on the back. Belt driven. 2.0 liter engine. And man, this thing, and he got the R design one, folks. Added a little canopy on top, keep the sun off of them. Nice. Got some Fairlanes on it. Storage is behind the seats. Gas tank there. And look at that. 850 style turn signal stop. Controls in the steering wheel. And yes, boys, it is a 5-speed. All this stuff is waterproof, so you really don't have to worry about getting it wet. You can wear a wetsuit, ride in it just fine. Got a little soundproofing and insulation in there to keep the heat off you. 3-point seat belt. Nice ride.
Oh, I didn't know what you were doing.
I was just checking it out.
Okay, yeah, do whatever you need to do.
Is that the GPS warning?
Yeah, that's the opening thing when it comes up when you first start.
Yeah.
That's the only problem.
Like shield.
You can't see anything.
Hard to see down there. I don't see nobody coming this way. It's clear this way.
Okay, we're gone. Hold on.
Yes, sir. Look at that Slingshot. And Henry's got one extra vehicle here. Since he bought his Slingshot, he no longer needs. It's an 04 XC90. Well maintained. Has a few cosmetic blims, but overall, this vehicle has been very well maintained. The headliner is the only thing somebody needs to jump on. Is it a i5 or what?
Yes, i5 low pressure turbo.
All right, is front wheel drive?
All-wheel drive.
Okay, all-wheel drive.
Yes, the all-wheel drive still works.
Interested in finding a XC90 in good shape? Let me know. I'll get you connected with Henry. Here we go, folks. Back to Tony's car. We are going to replace this dash pad, fix the odometer gear, change the ABS module, and see if he's good to go after that. Got this cluster out to redo the odometer gear, and man, I forgot this thing didn't have a trip computer. It's only got a clock. So if I'm on the schedule to do your odometer gear, you don't have a trip computer, remind me about that so I can try to get you a trip computer installed in your car. Those things are just too nice. And me in my haste, I forgot to bring bulbs. So we're going to swap his service bulb with his check engine bulb slot because his check engine light's not working. And although you may not want to see a check engine light, you want to know that check engine light's on so you can fix your car. You don't want to be driving around with your check engine light out, don't know it's on, costing yourself money on the car not running good. And there it is, folks, broken gear. You can see the little piece down in there. I'm gonna replace that with one of the black gears. Cluster back together. Mileage correction done. And we're about to put this back together and swap out this ABS module. Went to go disconnect the ABS module, and it was laying on the module the connector was, but it wasn't plugged in, and it had a bunch of corrosion here and a bunch of corrosion there. So trying to clean this out and hook this up properly, and that may fix it. Credit Tony here is 80 bucks back. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.